In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a .rar file using WinRAR. A RAR file is a compressed archive, kind of like a folder that's been packed into a single file to make it smaller and easier to share. To open it and get to the files inside, you'll use WinRAR, a common tool for working with archives. Make sure WinRAR is installed on your computer. If you've recently installed it and don't see it in your right-click menu yet, a quick restart of File Explorer or your computer can help it show up. First, go to the location where your .rar file is saved. Many files end up in the Downloads folder by default, but it could be on your desktop or in a project folder. Open File Explorer, navigate to that location, and look for the file with the .rar extension. If you don't see the extension, that's okay. Windows sometimes hides them, but the icon usually gives it away. Next, right-click the RAR file to open the context menu. Look for the WinRAR option. When you select it, you'll see choices like Extract Here and Extract Files. Here's what they mean so you can pick the best one for your situation. Extract Here will unpack everything directly into the folder you're currently looking at. It's quick and simple when you want the contents right where the archive is. Extract Files opens a window that lets you choose a specific destination. This is perfect when you want to keep things organized. For example, sending the extracted files to a new folder or an external drive. Depending on your setup, you may also see Extract to Folder Name, which creates a neatly named folder for you automatically. Any of these work. Choose the one that fits your preference. If the archive is password protected, WinRAR will prompt you to enter the password before it can extract. Without the correct password, the files can't be opened. If you don't see WinRAR in the right-click menu, you can also try choosing Open With and selecting WinRAR there. Once you confirm your choice, the extraction will begin. You'll see a progress window if it's a large archive. Otherwise, it happens almost instantly. When it's done, check the destination you chose, or the current folder if you used Extract Here, to confirm the new files or folder have appeared. At this point, you're all set. You can open and use the extracted files right away. If you're tight on storage, feel free to keep the extracted version and delete the original RAR to save space. That's all it takes to extract a RAR file with WinRAR quickly and cleanly.